Hi, my name is Anna Collard and I'm an evangelist for KnowBe4 in Africa. And I've been working in the cybersecurity field for about 20 years. The other day, I was sitting in an Uber car and I was being dropped off to pick up my car that was in for service. And the driver was a really nice gentleman, and I was chatting to him, and I was also looking outside because it was already after sunset and it was quite dark. Unfortunately, at the same time, I was also checking my emails, and in exactly that moment, I received luckily just a phishing simulation email, but an email that looked like as if it came from Uber asking me to verify my login details. And I don't know what made me do it, but in that moment, and it was quite an obvious phishing email, but somehow in that moment I clicked on it, and then I had to do training that I've developed myself. That's the reason of the story, is that when we talk about security culture and security behavior, that sometimes the training by itself is not enough. We may have the best intentions, we may be really well trained, but we may still not behave in the desired way. And that's really where we can learn from behavior scientists on how to positively affect or change a security culture, build a security culture by using techniques that have worked in behavior science for many, many years. And a very famous model is the BJ Fogg behavior model. In order to change a person or a behavior, we need three things. We need to provide the motivation in order to get the person to change. So that means we first of all have to, tap into people's emotion. We have to make content visually appealing to get them engaged. Using leadership or celebrity to get people to pay attention is another good technique to motivate people to want to learn more or to want to change the behavior. And then the second thing that we need, and according to BJ Fogg, is ability. That means you have to equip people with the knowledge as well as the tools that are needed in order to do the desired behavior. And one example for that could be, when we try to teach people not to reuse their passwords, then we should also equip them with a password manager to make this possible and simply to do. And then the third one in the equation is, you have the motivation, you provide them, equip them with the tools and the ability. We still need to remind them or prompt them to do the right behavior. Like in my case, maybe I wouldn't have clicked if I had like a little pop-up that said, are you sure you want to click on that? So that's really it. To summarize, in order to improve security culture or build a security awareness program, that we need those three things: motivation, ability, and prompts. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.